How to drag and drop on a Mac? It's very easy. I'm going to show you multiple cases that you can do this on. Now, the first scenario, let's say you want to drag and drop a file into a folder. You can do that. You just have to take one of your fingers and just go to your folder or your file, hold down the touchpad and just drag and drop it into this folder. And as you can see, it has now moved. Now, what if you want to move multiple things? You can do that as well. The same thing applies to, let's say, a folder. You can move one entire folder from one place to another by dragging and dropping it. Here you have one folder that I've just created. You can just drag it and drop it over here. Or if you want to move it to some other file or a specific file, let's say I want to move the folder into a particular file and I want to open it as well. I can just drag this folder, go to the name of the folder and just hold it there. As you can see, now the folder has opened up, and if I just let it go, it's going to move the folder from one place to another. And if I want to reverse this, I can reverse this as well. If I want to do that, I can just press Command plus Z, do that again, and here you can see the folder has come back. But if you, let's say, want to upload multiple items on your Google Drive, I'm just giving this as an example. This can work on any website as well. So let's go to Google Drive. Now in Google Drive, let's say I want to upload a file. For that, I can just bring up Finder, and let's say I want to upload both of these items. Now to select them, I can just hold down the trackpad and swipe up to select them both. If not, I can just press Command and then select both of them by just tapping on them. Now to upload them, just drag it and drop it. As you can see, if I let it go, it is going to start uploading these items, and these are going to go on my Google Drive. Again, this can work for multiple websites. I'm just giving you an example with Google Drive. So that is how you drag and drop on a Mac. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.